Hey guys, Richard here for the School of Nomads. So in today's review I want to go through a product called Swarm. Now Swarm is due to be released on Tuesday the 9th of June at 11 AM Eastern, and it comes from Venkata Ramana and Mark Bishop. So in a nutshell, Swarm allows you to take other people's videos on YouTube, slice them up, make a new video, and then make money from those videos. So in this review I'm going to actually take you through this product, but I'm also going to point out some pretty big issues with this overall tactic, which could get you into a lot of trouble. So stick around, because I want to make sure you're getting all of the information before you go ahead and buy a product like this. So guys, just before we start, my name is Richard Darby. This is the School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to our channel before, please go ahead and hit the subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I release reviews just like this one. And guys, if you're looking to start a business online using video, go ahead and click the link in the description below, and I'll take you through the whole process step by step. So guys, in this review I'm going to go through the product, we'll go through the members area, I'll show you the sales page, we'll look at those upgrades, I'll tell you what's good about the product, what's not so good about the product, and then I'll kind of give you my overall summary. As usual, these reviews are based on my own opinion, having spent many years online buying products just like this one, and the idea is to make sure you get as much information as possible so that you can make an informed decision before you go ahead and spend money on a product like this. So just a quick sales page overview. They're telling you can make 5 to 19k per month. So what they're doing there is they're comparing this to established channels on YouTube that have compilation videos. And the idea here is that you're going to make a compilation video using other people's videos. I'm going to tell you the inherent issues with that. The secret with video system is 100% newbie friendly. You've got software automation. You don't need any tech skills. It's an all-in-one solution. And there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. So that's kind of the overview of the sales page itself. Let's jump straight into the members area and I'll show you around. So guys, I'm over in the members area. This is the dashboard with the videos that you would have already made if you managed to create any on here. On the create campaign tab, this is where you actually go ahead and create the campaigns. I'll come back to that. There's a setting tab here where you go ahead and connect your Dropbox setting, Google Plus. I don't know why they're connected to Google Plus, doesn't even exist anymore. YouTube API and Vimeo. And I don't know why you're connecting to the Dropbox either. Bit of a mystery. There's some bonuses here. You can go ahead and look at those bonuses. You can get support here. Now this is a review copy, so the tutorials and the training don't exist either. So I'm not sure whether they're going to exist in the final product. And my assumption is they will. And then you've got Swarm Agency here, which is one of the upsells. So the idea is that you can come along and create campaigns. So I'm going to come along here and create just some random campaigns so I can show you how this works. So you put a keyword in for the types of videos that you want to go ahead and create. So let's just put, I don't know, cute dogs in, and you can put an area there, but it doesn't really matter. And the idea is it will go off and search for all of the cute dog videos in YouTube, right? You're going to go ahead and grab a bunch of videos on YouTube, and then you're going to use them by compiling them into one video, slicing them up and compiling them into one video, then repost them to YouTube, and then get money from AdSense. Okay, so I'll come on to that piece afterwards. But this is how you would go ahead and find those videos in the first place. So apparently they've got some kind of difficulty rank here for how hard it is to rank for. Don't know where they're getting that for. Cute dogs is not going to be something that's easy to rank for. So you just come along here and you go ahead and you search videos, right? So this is going to be my keyword that I put in to YouTube to rank for. Now what you do then is you come through these videos and you actually look at all of these videos and you select the ones that you want to splice up and make a compilation of. So here's the big issue, right? With any of these videos, yes, they've got loads and loads of different views and loads of likes and loads of dislikes. But there's a big thing with YouTube. You need to be able to use the videos under the correct license. The only videos you can really use on YouTube are videos that are designated as Creative Commons. Now, this is a tactic that's been used for absolutely years. So I don't know why they're saying this is new, but people take Creative Commons videos, which is basically you saying that you're allowing that video to be reused by others. And then you can cut them up and add a different intro and a different outro and then use them for yourself, right? And then apparently you're going to get the same amount of traffic, which isn't true. But the Creative Commons license are an inherent issue because you don't know whether that's really a Creative Commons license. You never actually originally made that video, so you don't know whether somebody's just stuck Creative Commons underneath it and whether you're actually allowed to use it. So the only videos you can actually use on YouTube are Creative Commons licenses. By the way, YouTube are very, very clever at finding people that are copyrighting various videos on YouTube, and they'll copyright strike you and they'll ban your channel instantly as soon as they start finding it, right? So there's a big issue there. Now if I go ahead and open just a couple of these, I want to see what kind of license they are, because it says license YouTube here as if that's a thing. It's not a thing. That license YouTube isn't a license, right? YouTube is a place you actually go ahead and post your content. So I'm going to open a few of these. I want to see what the licenses are. So the very first video I come to, and this is completely random, is this, I don't know, this cute dog. Loads of likes, loads of views, absolutely brilliant, right? This channel is obviously huge, right? But look at this here. Copyright issues, please contact us. There's nothing on here that tells me that you can use this under Creative Commons license. That's just the first one I've gone to. Let's go to another one, the second one. Again, there's nothing on there that tells me I can use this video under Creative Commons license. Let me go to this one. Again, there's nothing on here that allows me to use this video. You see here, what they've done here is they've attributed all of these other channels to this particular compilation video, right? But if you did this, you wouldn't even know what channels you were attributing to. So guys, this is inherently a poor way to compile videos. You've got no idea whether you're allowed to use these or not. I'm not having this method at all. The idea would be that I come along here and I actually pick a few of these videos, which I'm not allowed to use according to anything I've read so far. You come and select a few of these and it'll actually bring it into their editor for you to splice up. So I'm going to go and create the video. These are my 3 videos. I'll click on each one. The idea is that I would come here and actually just take out and trim bits of the video off. Each one of these times you trim a video or try and compile anything, it takes forever. So this is not a particularly great piece of software for doing this because the editing just takes forever and ever to do. So that's kind of the first one. Let's have a look at this second one. So you see the editor's just really poor. So once you trim the 3, you just hit create video. That will go off and it takes about 5 minutes to create your video. And apparently they send you an email to tell you when it's ready. That's your video being created. So as I said, the training and the tutorials don't seem to be working on this. I don't know why. Maybe it's because it's the review version. So if I just show you one that's actually been done, this cute kittens video, the idea is that you would have this video. You can also add subtitles and music to it. So let's just have a look at this one. See here, that's your text. Okay, that's enough of that. So the idea is then, once you've created it, you come along here and you share the video. Share it to YouTube or you can share it to Vimeo. And they're saying that once you share it to YouTube, you can go ahead and add a description and keywords, etc. And then you would build a channel that gets monetized by YouTube. Now, YouTube need 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers before it will start monetizing anything. And I'll tell you now, it won't monetize anything that's copyright. So as soon as it starts assessing your channel and you're using copyright material, it will never get monetized. So this whole method had a big issue. Even with Creative Commons videos, you're looking at very, very low quality videos that nobody's going to want to come and watch. The channels that are doing this, that they're quoting and making lots of money, are getting a lot of original videos, or they're making sure that that content can be shared on their own platform. So they're crediting back with the original creators. They're talking to those creators to make sure it can be shared. There's lots of hoops that they're going through to make sure that they don't have copyright strikes. Because anything on YouTube they deem as copyright, they'll immediately demonetize your channel and potentially they'll actually close your channel down. So sorry guys, I'm not having this method. I've seen a few other reviews on this, and I'm sure people are going to go to those reviews and think this is a valid method to create a business online, which I don't even know what the business is. What is your business here? Your business is going into YouTube, taking other people's videos that they've created, chopping them up, making your own videos, and then earning money from it. Is that what you tell your friends and family your business is? I'm not getting it at all. So to me, it's a complete waste of time. And if I was you, I would save your money and not go anywhere near this. So guys, I'm going to give you the upgrades. The core is $17. System unlocks the secret weird video system. It's not secret or weird because loads of people are doing this on YouTube. But you know, there's a lot of hoops to do it successfully. The Swarm Unlimited, apparently there's some limits on this system. There's no trading on the system at the moment, so there's a limit. It's $67. Auto Swarm is $47. You can automate and schedule the Swarm system in software. It just means you're going to be able to schedule your videos into YouTube, which you can anyway. Instant traffic is $97. You can put a pixel on their sales page and get instant traffic. Swarm Agency, you can resell this at $197, and then you've got an OTO, it's $97. There's some tutorial we've done for you products. So they're the upgrades. Pros, the software produces videos. I have seen that. I have used it to produce a video. Whatever the quality is, it does produce it. And then the cons, very low quality content, very, very poor software, doesn't work very well, very, very slow. Sales page is very misleading. I'm not even going to go over the sales page this time because it's totally misleading. You can read the sales page for yourself. You're not going to earn money off this. It isn't a secret system. It's just very poor. There's copyright issues here all over the place. You cannot use videos on YouTube that are other people's and then just splice them up and use them as your own. It's not even a thing. So anybody who tells you it is plain lying to you. The traffic source, again, it's the same thing. Links for Google Plus, what's that all about? Google Plus doesn't even exist anymore. And what's the long-term business here, guys? What are you going to tell your friends and family you do here? You go on and you pinch other people's videos. I'm going to give this a 2 out of 10. I don't even know why I'm giving it that much because it's so poor. Typical shiny object, aimed at beginners. This isn't a business. This is a really, really poor product that unfortunately some people are going to be suckered into and spend weeks and weeks trying to figure out how you're going to make anything. It'll take you months to get monetized on YouTube anyway. No channel goes on YouTube unless you're some kind of famous person already and gets monetized. It takes months and months and months of work, right? So, you know, waste of time. Again, big potential issues with copyright, and I don't believe this is a valid business. So guys, I'm sorry that was a bit of a downer of a review, but you know, sometimes you've got to say it as it is. Hopefully you come across this review before you go ahead and spend money on this. I think it's a really poor product and it's really preying on beginners who don't understand how YouTube works, how the monetization works, and just want a shortcut. So guys, my name is Richard Darby. This is the School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to this channel before, please go ahead and hit the subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I release new reviews just like this one. And they're not always this negative, guys. There is some good products out there. And if you're looking to build a business online using video, go ahead and check out the links in the description below, and I'll take you through the whole process step by step. Until next time, guys, take care.